In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Excel in WEBCON processes. For this, I've created a small example of a quality assurance workflow. Once we've selected the data from customer and order date, we continue to the quality assurance template which we are going to use. Behind this template selection, there are different Excel files which define the checks which will be done. Here we have on this Excel file these 5 attributes, and in the other we have 6 completely different attributes which are just defined in the underlying Excel file. Once we've selected the template in the quality assurance workflow, the attributes are read from the Excel file. We can define some values which we are currently measured in this process. And maybe even add some images, what we have taken. Close. If I would have had a real tablet or mobile phone, then I could have taken an image directly from it. That's what's completed, and let's take a look how the generated Excel result would be. These 2 tests would have been failed, but that's the way it is. Let's generate the final result, which is the QA order, which combines some template, the Excel result, and the image. This here, the QA order, consists of these 3 files. So this was a very brief example on how Excel and WEBCON can work together. And the best of it, all of this has been done with pure WEBCON mechanisms and actions, which is more or less unusual for my type of videos and blog posts. So let's take a look what I've done or what I've used. The report generation uses the new merge attachments into Word and PDF file action, where we can define which kind of files should be merged into it and in which order. Let's get back to the browser. That we have seen in the review result, the attachment, the result of the Excel file. This was defined in the step review result, because here we have an option, show first attachment on page load. And the Excel file was the first attachment which was ever added to the step. Populating this item list and writing the information back to the Excel file is also done with standard WEBCON mechanisms. I'm copying the template from the dictionary, reading the Excel data. Where we define the Excel address, or if we need to copy more information to an item list, like in this case, where we need to define a table in Excel. And the same goes the other way around. When we update the Excel file, I have the same mapping. I define the form field and the Excel address, which is a table mapping. The only interesting part is here that I've used some Excel features for preparing the printing. For example, if I'm taking a look here on the print preview, I see only this list and not the red information in here, because I've defined the printing area and I've hidden another Excel sheet, the parameters tab here, where I've adjusted this Excel table which we are referenced in the actions, which is read from the Excel file to WEBCON, where then the user populates the item list and afterwards it's written back. And that's all the magic behind it for having this kind of process in WEBCON. Thanks for watching.